Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn subject Algebra Standard 9th. Second lesson Real Numbers Practice Set 2.3. Today we will learn question number 9 Rationalize the denominator. Let's see what is mean by rationalization. Rationalization in maths is the process of removing the radical or imaginary number from the denominator of a fraction. This method is also known as rationalizing the denominator. In simple language, rationalizing means removing the radical sign, means removing the square root sign from denominator. Here it's given children, rationalizing the denominator is when we move a root from the bottom of a fraction to the top. Just we recall this thing children, listen. The bottom of the fraction is called the denominator. Numbers like 2 and 3 are rational, but many roots such as root 2 and root 3 are irrational numbers. Let's see children one example how to rationalize the denominator. Here children it's given 1 upon root 2. 1 is the numerator and root 2 is the denominator. Root 2 is the irrational number children. We have to make it rational. For that we have to multiply by same digit whatever is there in the denominator place. Multiply top and bottom by the square root of 2 because root 2 into root 2 you get children 2 because 2 2s are 4. 4 is the perfect square so it come out it become 2. Now children 1 upon root 2 into root 2 into root 2. So 1 into root 2 equal to root 2. Now root 2 into root 2 you get children 2. Now the denominator has a rational number that is 2. Now children we will start question number 9. First question. Question number 9. Rationalize the denominator. First one 3 root 5. Children rationalize the denominator means removing the radical sign from denominator place. So what we have to do children? 3 root 5. Here denominator what is the number is the children? Root 5. So multiply by root 5 and root 5. Numerator and denominator both you have to multiply. So here in the bracket write down multiply numerator and denominator by root 5. Now children you have to do multiplication. 3 root 5 you get 3 root 5. We can't multiply these two because this is the without root and this is the with root. So we can't multiply. So you get answer children 3 root 5. But this is the root 5 and this is the root 5. We can multiply. So 5 5s are 25. So you get root 25. So root 25 is a perfect square. So children it will come out of the root. So 3 root 5 upon 5. This is your answer children. We have removed the radical sign from denominator place. Now question number 2. 1 root 14. So children 1 upon root 14 multiply by which number we will do? Root 14. Root 14 upon root 14. In the bracket write down multiply numerator and denominator by root 14. Now children 1 into root 14 you get root 14. 14 into 14 what is the children? What you get? 196. So 196 is a perfect square. Yes, children. So root 14 upon, you get children answer 14. Okay. Now children, question number 3. Root 7 is there in the denominator place. So we have to multiply with the same digit, children, root 7. So 5 upon root 7 into root 7 upon root 7. We have to write multiply numerator and denominator by root 7. Now children, 5 and root 7, we can't multiply because this is a without root and this digit is with the root. So what you will write? 5 root 7. 7 sevens are 49. 49 is a perfect square, children. So it will come out of the root. Yeah, 5 root 7 upon 7. This is the answer of children, third one. Now children, question number 4. 6 upon 9 root 3. Here children, under root which digit is there? 3. So we have to multiply by root 3 upon root 3, not by 9 and root 3. Okay, only you will multiply by root 3. So children, 6, 9, root 3 multiply by root 3 upon root 3, not by 9 and root 3, children. Only whatever the digit is there under root, multiply by that digit. Here write down in the bracket, multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. Now children, 6 and root 3 we can't multiply because this is without root and this is with root. So we can't multiply, children. 6 root 3 upon 9 will be as it is, children, into root 3 into root 3. Now children, 6 root 3 upon 9 will be as it is. 3 into 3, what you get? Under root 9. 9 is a perfect square, so it will come out of the root. It become 3. 6 root 3 upon 9 into 3. Now you can multiply these two, children. 6 root 3 upon what you get? 9 3s are 27. This is not your final answer, children, because these two we can do the cancellation. 3 2s are and 3 9s are. So what is your final answer, children? 2 root 3 upon 9. This is your answer, children. Now children, practice set 2.4, question number 1, multiply. Root 3, open bracket, root 7 minus root 3, close bracket. Here children, we have to multiply. So how to multiply, children? See. This root 3 into root 7, root 3 into root 3. This 3 multiply by 7 and this root 3 multiply by 9. Root 3 into root 7. And what sign is there? Minus. Children, here what is there? Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 7. What the sign is there? Minus. So take down minus. Root 3 into root 3. 3 sevens are 21. Minus 3 3s are 9. But 9 is a perfect square. So it will come out from the root. So children, what you will take? Root 21 minus 3. This is your final answer. 21 will be under root only, children, because it is not a perfect square. So it will not come out of the root. Question number 2. Root 5 minus root 7 into root 2. We have to multiply this root 2 by 5 and this root 2 multiply by root 7. So children, root 2 into root 5. What sign is there between these two terms? Minus. So take minus. Now root 2 into root 7. Multiply these two and multiply these two. 2 into 5 you get root 10. Sign minus. 2 7s are 14. 14. This is not a perfect square and this is also not a perfect square. So it will not come out of the root, children. So this is your answer. Question number 3. Here children, this is the binomial and this is also binomial. Binomial means whenever the two terms are there, it's known as binomial. This is a one term and this is another term. Here in the bracket, two terms are there. So this bracket is known as a binomial. And here also binomial. It means children, binomial multiply by binomial. So what we have to do, here any one bracket you have to take 2 times. So I am taking a second bracket 2 times. 4 root 3 minus root 2, 4 root 3 minus root 2. Now children, I have taken the second bracket 2 times. The first bracket here 2 terms are there. So first term I will take for the first bracket and second term I will take for second bracket root 3. Now we have to multiply. This term multiply by this term and this term multiply by this term. Here also children same, root 3 multiply by this term and root 3 multiply by root 2. Now 3 root 2 into 4 root 3. Underline. Okay, we have to multiply these two. What the sign is there? Minus 3 root 2 into root 2. We have to multiply these two terms. Now children, what the sign is there? Minus. Root 3 into 4 root 3. Underline. What the sign is there? Minus. So, root 3 into root 2. Put in the one bracket and this is also put in the one bracket. Okay children, multiply now. 3 4s are 12. Coefficient multiply by coefficient. Okay children, now under root what is there? 2 and here under root what is there? 3. So multiply. Now what you get children? 3 2s are 6. Okay. Minus. Here coefficient 3 is there but here nothing is there. So whenever nothing is there children, it's always occupy 1. So 3 1s are 3. Now 2 2s are 4. So 4. Okay children, close the bracket and here minus. Now here coefficient nothing is there but here what is there? 4. So nothing means what I told, it's always occupy children 1. 1 into 4, 4. Now under root what is there? 3 and 3. 3 3s are 9. Minus. 3 2s are 6. Close the bracket. Okay children. Now open the bracket. 12 root 6 minus 3. 4 is a perfect square. So it will come out of the root children. It become 2. Minus 4. 9 is a perfect square. So it will come out of the root. It become children 3. Minus minus plus and root 6. Now this multiply and here children this is also multiply. 12 root 6 minus 3 2s are 6 minus 4 3s are 12 plus root 6. Now children root numbers take together. 12 root 6 and this number children, this term you take here. Here what the sign is there? Plus. So take down plus root 6. Minus minus plus, but sign will be minus. So minus, what you get children? 18. Now here coefficient what is there? 12, but here nothing is there. So what we have to take? 1. So 12 plus 1, 13 root 6 minus 18. This is your answer children. Question number 2 children we will learn in the next video. Thanks dear student. Have a nice day.